Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using the Brave browser or thinking about switching and want to stay safe while browsing, yeah, you're in the right place. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Brave safely and protect your privacy step by step in 2026. First, always download Brave from the official website. Avoid third-party sites to prevent malware or fake versions. Brave comes with built-in shields. Make sure it's turned on. It blocks ads, trackers, and harmful scripts automatically. Go into Settings and review privacy options. You can block third-party cookies and fingerprinting for better security. For extra privacy, use a private window with Tor. This hides your IP and adds another layer of anonymity. Always keep Brave updated. Updates fix security issues and improve protection. Only install trusted extensions. Too many or unsafe extensions can compromise your privacy. Make sure HTTPS is enabled. Brave usually does this automatically, but it ensures secure connections to websites. Check site permissions regularly. Don't allow unnecessary access to your camera, microphone, or location. Clear your browsing data from time to time. This removes cookies and cached files that could track you. Finally, stay alert. Avoid clicking suspicious links or downloading unknown files, even with a secure browser. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be using the Brave browser safely with better privacy and protection online.